What is the best way to earn money online? You can either try and push through the jungle of free information on YouTube and around the web, or you can pick a coaching program and stick to that and cut out the noise. The coaching program will take less time as everything you need will be in one place, with one person giving you advice. It will allow you to focus, follow a method and get practice at that method whilst having someone or a team to call on. If it is a bigger, more popular coaching course, there will also be a decent community that will help you out. But it will cost you. If you choose the less expensive / free path, you will need more time. No single video will give you all the answers. You will discover 100 different ways to make money online in this process, suffer overwhelm and shiny object syndrome, but you will learn for free. When you have all these alternatives placed in front of you though, it is harder to know which one to get good at. Like anything, it takes time and practice. Do not think you can watch 3 YouTube videos, and expect to make the cut of $1,234,567 per day or a week that everyone will sell you. At the end of the day, there will always be a paywall at the end of free information, so be prepared to spend some money if you want consistent, coherent good advice.